Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today's your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make another breakfast with oatmeal. Here we have 2 eggs, we have soy sauce, we have oatmeal, tomato, onion is already chopped, black pepper and salt. Now let's go into our bowl. We are going to put in water, mix it, and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to add in our eggs. Let's mix it. Let's add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, onion, tomato, salt and black pepper. Now into our pot we have added a little bit of oil. You can see vegetable oil, so you can add any oil of your choice. Now we are going to pour in our mix. After putting, you cover it like 5 minutes. You can see now it's ready to turn. Make sure your fire is low. Now it's ready to turn. You can see. After turning it, this is what we have. So you can use plate and put on it, then you turn it and you put it back. Make sure your fire is low. The second time, don't cover it. Just leave it again like 4 to 5 minutes and off your fire. You can see that. Guys, you can see this is what we have now. It's ready. Guys, thank you for watching. Our breakfast is ready. I put ketchup on the top. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.